Hi, this is an easy way to add a scribble effect to any video. So in this example, I got somebody doing weightlifting. So I'm first going to play the video. So I'm thinking of doing a scribble effect when he pumps the dumbbells in the air. Now to do this, what I want to do first is I need to create a new video track above. So right mouse on the top track, insert video track. Now I want to place a marker where I want to start. This is a reference point. And then I need to zoom in by doing the scroll mouse forward to single frames. So about that length. Now what I want to do is put into best full preview and then click this button here, which takes a snapshot of the frame. Now I'm going to create a new folder for this, and I'm going to start at image 1. So that's the image 1 set. So now I want to open MS Paint, and I want to load in image 1. Image 1. So I want to select this. You can select any colour you want, but I'm going to select red and do a fairly thick size, 5 points, and I'm just going to scribble round the dumbbells like that, just a rough guide. I'm going to save it, and then I want to do is drop that in top track. As you can see, it's done it across many frames, so I want to change that so it just does it across one frame. Now for future, so that's now across one frame. For future, if you go into options, preferences, edit, new still image length, set that to 0.02, and it just does it as one frame when you insert it. That way you don't need to keep resizing it all the time. So that's now your first image set. So that lays on top of your video, and you just keep doing that for every single frame. So you move one frame along now, save, image 2, MS Paint, image 2, you set it to red again, doesn't remember. You also can use more advanced programs like Photoshop. If you're more familiar with that, you can probably do it better. I'm going to close it, and I'll just drag and drop that, and then move on to the next frame, and just carry on doing that. You just take another screenshot, image 3, open image 3, and then do the same again. So when you're finished, I'll show you in a second what it will look like when you're finished. Save, image 3, drop. So now you've got a simple animation, some lines on it. So now I'm going to show you what it would look like when you add more frames. So I've done this with 16 frames. Yep. So what I'll do, I'll loop it. Click that to loop, and I'm going to play it. You can see it has the squiggle lines on there. Obviously in Photoshop you could add more static type images on there as well, like a pipe for example, or whatever you want. So that gives you an insight as to what type of things you could do with it. And that's it. Give it a try.